Watch this and learn a new skill. Hey there, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence language model that can help answer your questions, give you advice, or just have a conversation with you. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to use ChatGPT and get the most out of your experience. Step 1. Finding Chat. The first thing you'll need to do is find ChatGPT. You can access ChatGPT on various platforms, including websites, mobile apps, and chatbots. For example, you can find ChatGPT on the OpenAI website, or through messaging platforms like Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp. Step 2. Starting a conversation. Once you've found ChatGPT, it's time to start a conversation. You can do this by typing a message or question into the chat box or voice assistant. Try to be as clear and specific as possible to get the best response from ChatGPT. Step 3. Wait for a response. After you've sent your message, wait a few seconds for ChatGPT to process it. ChatGPT will then respond with an answer or ask you for more information. If you're not happy with the response, you can ask ChatGPT to clarify or give you more information. Step 4. Keep the conversation going. As you continue to converse with ChatGPT, you may find that you need to ask more questions or give more information. Keep the conversation going until you get the answer you need or until you're satisfied with the discussion. Step 5. Say thank you. Once you've finished your conversation, don't forget to thank ChatGPT for its help. ChatGPT is always happy to assist you, and showing gratitude is a great way to acknowledge the help you've received. Conclusion? That's it. Those are the basics of using ChatGPT. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.